Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Harry Viral. Here is another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to change the appearance of your mouse cursor or pointer depending on what you want to call it in Windows 10. So we are going to start by heading over to our start button, and then we are going to search up control panel. Listed as a desktop app, so you can open it that up, and under view by category you want to set it to either large icon or small icons. Then we want to go over under your mouse, and then you can see your pointers tab. Then new windows that appears, we can see a few different options to wanted to customize our mouse. We actually could choose from predetermined drop downs, so here you can choose anyone which you like, and even you can choose from customize. And if you apply this, you can see here it is changes into here. And if I want to change here, again I will choose, and you can see it is changes. So in this way you can choose here. If you choose to none, you will go to into back normal. So in this way you can change your pointer cursor. So there's a lot of different customizations options we can go through, but I will leave that up to you guys. I just want to show you how to access some of these settings. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.